So in this video, I will be showing us how we can change our ringing tone on Redmi A3 Pro. To change your ringing tone, you will go to your settings, come to settings, click on settings, and you come to this place, sound and vibration. When you will scroll up, and then you will see ringing tone here. Then this is the default ringing tone, which is M high remix. Then you click on it. Then from here you can either choose ringing tone in your local store, on your local audio, or on your music, or you can choose from these pre-installed ringing tones that come with the phone. So this is the current one. This is the current one. I can decide to change it to another one. Maybe I'll change it to this similar one. So if I click apply now, I will now select which SIM, maybe SIM 2, and then applied successfully. So that's it. I've successfully applied that ringing tone to my SIM 2, and I have changed my ringing tone. So that's how you change your ringing tone on Redmi A3 Pro phone.